Alright, so let's answer this problem about equation of the circle where the center is at hk. Here we need to find the center and the radius of the circle given by the equation. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is I will write the standard equation of the circle where the center is at hk. So just to remind you about that. So that's going to be x minus h square plus y minus k square equals r square. Now remember, the hk is our center, and of course r is our radius. Now here we can clearly see that h is actually -5. And maybe you're thinking, why is it -5? Why not +5? Because if you think about it, if I put +5 there and you substitute that 5 to the standard equation of the circle, it should be x minus 5, right? But it's x plus 5. And the only way you can get an x plus 5 is if you have an h that is -5. So meaning it's actually from here. So x minus x -5 square. That's why it becomes x plus 5 square. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. Alright, let's go to the next one. So this is obviously here k is equal to +2. Okay, and again, the only way you can have an y minus 2 is if your k is +2. Alright, so now we know the center, and the center is at -5 and +2. Alright, so the radius. What about the radius? So for the radius, we need to express 49 in exponential term, or in some cases, sometimes it's not a perfect square number. So here we have a perfect square number. 49 is just 7 square. But to generalize everything, you can actually do this. So r square equals 49. You have to solve for r, so r equals 7. Okay, so you can do that. Now in some cases, like what I said earlier, if it's not a perfect square number, let's say 10, so that's going to be square root of 10. But in this case, we're lucky we have 49. That's a perfect square number, so that means r, or the radius, is equal to 7.